The Beatrice INYANGALA aurani PS wa High Education and Research Institute na ugetinende kuti mwarimu munene wa secondary kinyomo batikureana certificate kana karatathi kakona ni ampomi che muritoni ontoboke kwethira arimi kurea BIICI ugete bunende ukethira bukiangaratana kia kinya githomo ke mwana akiwa ni gitatina watho doraka watikanaka ukirweta garia yake watho Beatrice aguchoka gianende kireke mubunge we Gembe North ndere kwikinyiti kire kamiti ya mbunge egikithomo.
Akialia lembe la kamiti ya bunge nene ya kithomo mwandiki munene wa kithomo kia iguru Beatrice INYANGALA augite ministry ino nithite na mbele na mubango wa gusonko na Aritwa balaba tumite romba riako na mbesa ya kithomo kia university kire mubango mujeru wa kwa Aritwa baba mbesa na kire ntukujijite mubango juga kinyamuthia na mbesa ino kunenkaniro kia Aritwa baba kwa thaa ino alitwangirika na rimole ya 83 magana mugwanja makenda ni balekite gutuma eromba riako na mbesa ino. Waziri INYANGALA akiuga mutaratara ujo ugakinya muthia tariki mugwanja mweri wa 10.
We are still collecting data to enable us classify the students. This process will close on 7th of November. 7th of October. This process will end on 7th of October. As of now, we have 183,719 students who have successfully provided their information out of 265,000 students. This validation process is what has caused the delay.
Kulingana mwandiki munene ojo wa kithomo kia iguru ni balekite kwa na VCs bonde ba university ya mwingi na gute murutano umwe agasoko no ntubwa kwa BIICI kagita kalea mutaratara ojo odite na mbele. PS INYANGALA akiuregia Aritwa na jali kuditanga kere ministry ino VCs balaba kudike nyume na molekelo ojo wa thirikari nene. Aidho kagita gaka PS INYANGALA na CEO wa Help Charles Ringera nebele idhitie ati mpaka thaa ino gutembesa inenkana ritwa kire Aritwa ileo bajeru na balabethiritwe bali skuru.
Following the complaints that students were being turned away, we actively engaged all the vice chancellors. They held a meeting on 8th of September 2023 and they all confirmed that none of them has turned a student away or demanded money other than the money for accommodation. So to date, all the reports that are coming in have not really been validated with vice chancellors. We are open and we encourage any student who has actually been asked to pay the 7% to come to my office with the evidence, and I am going to engage the vice chancellors immediately based on the facts.
We are still following up with the ministry, who in retrospect they are following up with the treasury for release of funds. As at now, we have not released any money to whether continuing students or the ones who are coming in for the first time.
Na kile kila ulitune mbunge wa Gembe North Julius Taitumu kikoni na principal by school baraba ingilite resort slipja Aritwa barabale kile kithomo kire skuru ino nonto bakwethiro batale kile ya BIICI onto bulabo tomete Aritwa baba kwa gokinya kire skuru ya university. PS ojo Beatrice INYANGALA ARIUGA bobo nigiyuta tena watho na mwelekela wa ministry ya kithomo.
This issue was raised earlier, and my colleague, the principal for basic education, indicated that this was illegal and he was going to issue a circular through the minister to stop this practice so that all the result slips are released immediately.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Beta Antony, rangi wa Kadenya.